Hi everyone, today we have this platform called Enviz and this is the best future home planning software. So before we begin, consider heading over to the link in the description using which you can access extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses onto the platform. Now talking about different type of features that it offers. So if you are willing to design or simply create your future home planning, this is the platform for you guys. So what you can do is, first we have this get started option and we have the dashboard. So in the dashboard you can see total viewings it's taken, and here will be populated all the viewings basically that you have done. You have your average time in viewing and many other details as well. So if you head over to your project section, you can see you can create your project in here. First you're going to be creating a project, add experiences and select subscription. So basically these are something that you can get started with, and it also depends on the pricings and plan that you're subscribed to. So you can see currently we have these scenarios logged, but that's how it works and the workflow. Now talking about much of its feature, you can see if you head over to its settings, you can add your users in here as well. So you can click on add user, you can add a global user, you can enter in here full name and their email address, and it will be added in here. So it is quite simple to get started with Enviz and get your future home planning getting started. So make sure to give it a try to this. Now also talking about its pricings and plan, you can see you have this first plan with various options for 4 plans, and you have your architectural mode, and all of these features are basically offered. And then you have this Enviz Space Plus with taking your space to the next level with dedicated conversion by one of our talented 3D artists. So basically they are going to be setting up a 3D artist for you to get started with. You have various other plans and pricings as well that you can try out according to your needs and subscriptions. So yeah, make sure to give a try to Enviz using the link in the description below to get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses. See you guys around in the next video.